Hello everyone. Keeping my social distance from you. I'm about 8-9 feet away from the camera. My regrets. There will be no trains on Tuesday this week. Not because of the coronavirus or anything like that. No. Microsoft, in their wisdom, has decided to upgrade Movie Maker. And now it locks up every minute or two, and you have to go back and start again. And when I say start again, I mean start again, because it doesn't save stuff that you've done. So, although I've got lots of train content that I could share with you, I don't have an editing program at the moment. So, do take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Respect the distance between you. Be especially careful shopping. Everybody needs food, but be especially careful buying food. Be careful to clean it. Clean the packages. Clean your hands. Hopefully, I will try again in the next week, and hopefully for next week I can bring you another Trains on Tuesday. But until then, take care. Bye for now.